Hi guys, it's Nunu and I am here in home in our English 101 course, and I'm going to click on modules to just go over the homework that is due this weekend. So I'm clicking on modules here below home. I'm in modules. I'm going to scroll down to week 9, which is the week we're in. So I'm moving down and I'm here in week 9, which is our to-do list, October 22nd through 26th. I'm going to click on Essay Discussion Quiz 3, which is due this weekend. Okay. So the topic is January 26, 2016 Slate Magazine article, Betrayed by the Dream Factory by Samuel Garner. It's worth 60 points. So let's review our timeline. You need to post your essay by Saturday evening and critique 2 pairs essays by Sunday evening. Okay, what are our directions? The first thing you need to do is read the article, the Slate Magazine article, and the link is right here. You just need to click on it. I'll bring up the article. Betrayed by the Dream Factory. We went over that briefly yesterday in class, and I told you the most important thing to find in this article as you read it is the rhetorical focus, particularly the thesis. What is this guy's thesis and how is he supporting it? Is he convincing? Okay, we need to do that. Samuel Garner's thesis is found here in the first paragraph we found yesterday when we were reading. According to Garner, it's very likely that students will rack up terrible debt in pursuit of a degree or degrees. So you need to find out if that's true and read this article with a grain of salt. Okay, I'm going to take us back into the directions for this assignment, which I'm looking at. And again, the assignment is the Essay Discussion Quiz 3 and Garner's article in Slate Magazine. Okay, so our first step is to read the article. You have a handy link here. Then you need to write 750 words, 3 pages, and identify Garner's main contention or assertion in his article, his thesis, and agree or disagree with this assertion, okay? And of course, make sure you run a spell grammar check and proofread your work carefully, okay? And as always, do not write a 5-paragraph essay. Write the kind of essay you read about in chapter 1 of this little book. Okay, so those are our first 2 directions there. I would also like you to use one short and one block or long quote from Garner's article. You can click here to review what short and block quotes are. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link to show you it's working, and we see short quote, and scrolling down the screen, I see block quote, what it is, okay? So I am going to go back into, our directions. Okay, we just clicked on that link, so you need to review about short and long quotes. You also need to create a correct MLA works cited citation for Garner's article. And you need to respond to 2 peers postings constructively using a minimum of 125 words, a half page to respond after you've written the 750 word essay. Okay, and what does constructively mean? I have this definition. Constructive criticism is a communication technique intended to identify and find solutions to problems in a positive way. So tell your peers what may be ailing the essay and what may be wrong with it, but be positive, okay? I'm going back into our essay directions, and I'm showing you that you have help. Here, some videos to help you with the works cited and other information that you need to include in this essay. Okay, so I'm going back to home, and I just have gone into modules and I detailed our week 9 essay. And I want to remind you to, of course, scroll down to our class notes below. And our week 9 notes are in place. And I've also kept visible for you, of course, our week 8 notes. And all of our other notes throughout the semester are right here if you need to consult them or have any handouts. Okay. So our week 9 notes, please read them. As you know, I wasn't in class on Monday. I was ill, but I have detailed our Wednesday notes, October 24th. I have that database video I showed you, and I've given you the itinerary or agenda upcoming in week 10. We'll do the chapter 3 essay, the quote work, and the 5-page essay. All right. So I am going to take us back up and home, where I am on our Yoda page. I'm Yoda and you're playing Luke. So clear your mind of questions, watch this video, and learn what we are doing in class. And of course, the 2 ways to do that are clicking on modules and reading the class notes that I just detailed with you, which are below and home. All right, have a good weekend.